Welcome to this explainer. Inside your head is an amazing machine. It is the human brain. It has billions of small parts. These parts talk to each other every single second. Today, we will explore a fascinating topic. We are looking at how scientists map these secret conversations.
We have a clear plan for today. First, we will ask, what is a connectome? Next, we will look at the problem with brain maps. Then, we will see how we use AI to map brains. Finally, we will talk about why brain maps matter.
Let us start with part 1. What is a connectome? A connectome is a complete map. It shows all the connections inside the brain. Think of the brain like a big city. The brain cells are the houses. The connections are the roads. Information travels on these roads like cars. To understand the city, you need a map. You need a map of every single road. This complete map is the connectome.
Scientists have tried to make this map for a very long time. In 1911, scientists drew brain cells by hand. They used a simple pencil. Later, in 1986, researchers mapped a worm brain. The worm had only 302 brain cells. Then, in 2013, everything changed. Scientists started using MRI machines. These machines can look inside complex human brains, and they do it safely.
This brings us to part 2, the problem with brain maps. Why is it so difficult? So why is mapping the human brain so hard? A human brain is not like a small worm. A human brain has billions of cells. These cells have millions of long connections. Together, they look like a giant bowl of messy noodles. It is very hard to follow just one path.
Let us look at how doctors solve this. Old methods were very difficult. They required cutting the brain into slices. Doctors could only do this after a person died. New methods use MRI machines. An MRI machine looks inside a living brain. It is completely safe. The machine watches water moving along the brain roads. This sounds great, right?
But there is a big problem. These new MRI methods make mistakes. The MRI machine does not take a perfect picture. The machine uses computer rules. These rules try to guess the true connections. However, sometimes the computer guesses wrong.
How do these mistakes happen? The computer rules need specific settings. Human researchers must guess these settings. It is like guessing the focus on a camera. If the human makes a bad guess, the map is wrong. Bad settings can show fake roads. These are roads that do not actually exist. Bad settings can also miss real roads. They often miss very long roads. These long roads are extremely important. They connect the front of your brain to the back. We absolutely need a better way to find them.
Now for part 3, using AI to map brains. This is a new solution from Japan.
Brain science covers many different areas. Researchers study tiny cells. They study large networks. They also study brain diseases. To understand all of this, doctors need perfect tools. They need technology they can trust completely. A group of Japanese researchers wanted to help. They decided to fix the MRI computer rules. Instead of human guessing, the researchers used artificial intelligence. We call it AI. Humans test settings very slowly. They test them by hand. This takes many hours. AI testing is completely different. The AI is a powerful machine. It tests many different settings very fast. It learns what works best in just seconds.
The AI uses a simple process to find the best settings. First, the AI guesses the settings. Second, the AI makes a map. It checks this map against real data. This proven data comes from animal brains. Third, the AI makes a choice. It keeps the settings that show real brain roads. It throws away the bad settings. The bad settings show fake roads. The AI repeats this process very fast. It stops when it finds the perfect answer. The result is truly amazing. This AI technology makes the brain map much more accurate. The AI found settings that work for many different human brains. Humans do not have to guess anymore. Doctors can trust the map. They can finally see the long brain roads clearly.
Finally, part 4, why brain maps matter. This is about the future of medicine.
Why does this AI map matter to us? A perfect map will help doctors greatly. Doctors can see how a healthy brain works. They can also see what happens when we get sick. When people get a brain disease, their brain roads break. Information cannot travel. People might forget things. They might lose control of their hands. The AI map helps doctors see exactly which roads are broken. This helps treat serious diseases. It helps treat Parkinson's disease. It also helps treat Alzheimer's disease. This is a huge step forward for medicine.
Our brains make us human. They hold our memories. They hold our feelings. They hold our thoughts.
With this new AI technology, we finally have a clear map. We have a map of the human mind. So, we leave you with this question. What secrets will your brain map reveal?